Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove pin from Windows. So let's get started. First of all, you can open the settings of Windows and here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on accounts and then you're going to scroll down and come under the section of account settings. Here, you're going to search for sign-in options. That is basically the second option. So once you click on sign in options, you have to find pin. If you wish to remove pin only, click on pin and then you'll be able to see two options. One will be change your pin and the other is remove this sign in option. So once you click on the remove button, it will ask you for confirmation that are you sure you want to remove pin, along with some importance of keeping the pin. If you really wish to remove it, you could simply press the remove button and this time it's going to confirm using your pin. So simply type down your current pin and then it will remove the pin for you. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.